So, Dermacept capsules are basically marketed as a supplement for supporting healthier-looking skin, with claims around things like hydration, appearance, and overall skin health. But the marketing can make those benefits sound more guaranteed than they really are. The biggest thing I'd look at is the actual ingredient list and dosages. Just because a supplement contains vitamins, minerals, or other skin-focused ingredients doesn't mean you'll see a dramatic difference, especially if you're not deficient in anything. I'd also be careful with before and after photos and testimonials. Skin can change for many reasons, and individual results don't necessarily tell you what the average customer can expect. So, are Dermacept capsules worth buying? They might be useful as a general supplement, but I wouldn't expect them to transform your skin on their own. Check the ingredients, evidence behind the claims, company reputation, and return policy before spending your money. Overall, I'd keep your expectations realistic and remember that skincare, sun protection, diet, and other factors can have a much bigger impact than a single supplement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.